Hi students, it's Miss Saib. How are you? I'm going to demonstrate how I want you to set up your math notebook. We're going to do it together in class, but this is just an example. As you can see, I'm using an old notebook, just recycling, because my daughter has a notebook that has a ton of paper in it. I'm going to just kind of change it up, and I'm going to put this one for math. So I'm going to put my name here, and then I'm going to put my name here on the bottom. So like in the classroom, if we had our names on and they'd be in a math bin and we would know exactly where they were. There's Hudson. He wants to make a little appearance on the video today. Hey, kitty. So then what I'd like you to do in your notebook is you're going to just take the first clean page. And this page right here is going to have the table of contents, which is where you're going to keep track of all of the things that we are putting into this notebook. So what you're going to do is just write the words table of contents. Then what we're going to do is there's a red line here and a sort of faint red line over here. I'm going to put in here I'm going to just estimate one long line between it, and I'm going to leave this blank. I'm going to start it today since we're only starting these today. 9/17 is today's dates. What I'm going to put in this table of contents are the things that we are learning for that day and the things that we are working on. So for today's math lesson, I'm going to be explaining to you a couple of things. One of them is going to be our number talk, and I'm going to just put that on here so you can just take some notes in here. We're going to do our number talk today. And then as you can see, I have the date, I have number talk, and then over here, I'm going to leave this plain for the page number that I'm going to be putting that in here. So I'm going to just title these on the top, date and page number. So I know that those columns are how we organize it. And then speaking of page numbers, what I'm going to ask you to do then is you're going to have your notebook, but we're going to just skip a couple pages here for our table of contents to let it be a little longer. I'm going to skip 2 pages, maybe, 2 full pages. So on this next page, as you can see, it's blank. This is a little bit tedious, but this is what we're going to be working on this morning, is just numbering all the pages. So down here, I'm going to put page number 1. I'm going to flip it over and save paper and go to the back page and put number 2. Then the next page, number 3. Flip it over, try to save a page, put number 4. And it should take you about 10 minutes, and I want you to just number it as far as you can. Let's try to number it to like at least 50. So then if you go in here, and I know, okay, there's no numbers here. I know that that's not my right page. Page number 1, I'm going to put, when we're in class today, number talk, number 3, so that I know it's on page 1. Then I'm going to go back to my table of contents, just in case, so that I'm really organized. I know that a number talk for today, number talk number 3, is going to be on page 1. That's all we're going to be doing in math to organize notebooks. I hope this helps.